హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 మొబైల్ గురించి దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న మీడియా టెక్నికల్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఏమంటున్నారో వాళ్ళ ఇనీషియల్ ఇంప్రెషన్స్ ఏంటో ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో తెలుసుకుందామా? లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ టుడేస్ ఎపిసోడ్.
Our Zenfone Max Pro.
I tried to tell you, watch out, here comes trouble.
This is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Trust me, it's Max and Pro in every sense, be it the battery, the processor, the camera. It's a complete package of a device.
First thing that came to my mind when I held it, it comes with all the features that I would want in a mid-range phone.
I think Asus has done a great job when it comes to making a phone with these specs.
You drop your phone, you damage your phone, it's replaceable. The pricing is amazing. The processor is unbeatable and the battery is 5000 mAh. I think it's a Max and a Pro in one package.
Zenfone Max Pro M1 है, Snapdragon का 636, 5000 mAh की बैटरी. ओ भाई साहब, Redmi Note 5 Pro तो गया.
Well, my personal favorite feature on the phone has to be the bokeh effect on the camera. I tried it out right now, it's amazing. And the stock Android feel of it, it is just great.
स्टॉक एंड्रॉइड दिया गया है, वो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है जो Asus ने इस बार दिया है.
They are offering the stock Android, which is one of my favorite feature, which I will say in this device.
Because it's on stock, ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा फीचर है.
First is stock Android and second is of course the battery.
5000 mAh की बैटरी, वो भी इतने स्लिम फॉर्म फैक्टर में, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Battery has to be one of the best things on the phone.
I think it's the price, it's unbeatable.
The price is just amazing, 10,999 and 12,999.
The clarity on the screen. Above all of that, a modern new design which is like 18:9 aspect ratio screen. The way it handles in my hand.
ये एक अच्छी पहल है भारतीय कस्टमर्स को लेकर.
That's pretty cool.
One word that defines Zenfone Max Pro is
Incredible.
Budget Superman.
For the maximum.
Redefining.
Value for money.
Go for it.
Tell me again, bring me back from the end. Save yourself in the end. Save yourself if you can. Oh my, help me again. I tried to tell you, watch out, here comes trouble.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ ఎపిసోడ్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మరింత ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఎపిసోడ్తో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.